You came to save me. You died on a rugged cross so that I might be free. They speared you in your side. Oh, you hung your head